Hello, this is Mr. Marvin. You and I will explore the Tools tab for Google Slides using your computer. Let us be familiar with Google Slides by identifying the functions and commands available on its ribbon. Below the title bar of your presentation is the ribbon. The ribbon consists of the tabs and the command buttons. The eighth tab in Google Slides is the Tools tab. The Tools tab keeps the command buttons for different actions. From the Tools tab, the Spelling command button checks for spelling and error. You can use this command for spell check, to underline errors, and to access personal dictionary. From the Tools tab, the Explore command button organizes the images and texts on the slide and designs the slide layout. As the command opens a box on the right side, you can, in this example, explore the slide's layout. From the Tools tab, the Linked Object command button finds some objects that are linked to the slide, such as embedded charts, tables, or drawings. From the Tools tab, the Dictionary command button opens into a dictionary on the right sidebar of the slides. On the Tools tab, the Q&A History command button shows the history of the questions and the votes submitted by the audience during the presentation. From the Tools tab, the Voice Type Speaker Notes command button records and types your script below each slide. A microphone appears to record your script that is shown as speaker's notes below the slide. From the Tools tab, the Script Editor command button allows you to program and modify presentations by adding custom menus, dialogs, and sidebars. From the Tools tab, the Preferences command button allows you to set your general preferences and substitution of texts and objects in the slide. You can set your general preferences or substitutions preferences. Then you click OK. From the Tools tab, the Accessibility Settings command button provides screen reader and screen magnifier support. You can then turn on screen reader support or screen magnifier support for accessibility. Find the next tutorial video on exploring the Add-on tab for Google Slides using your computer. Thank you very much for watching. Please write your comment, click subscribe, click like, and click share.